Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the blue candy pop fruit and grow garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you how to get the blue candy pop seed. If you want to get the seed, you can participate in this evil bunny event of the Easter update. And after you sacrifice your plants or your fruit, you will get reward, and one of the rewards is this blue candy pop seed. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the blue candy pop looks like when you plant it in your garden. Okay, this is the blue candy pop. Okay, of course it's like a candy, guys, and you can harvest it multiple times. And okay, I'm going to check the base value of this candy pop, the blue candy pop. I'm gonna select this menu. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's around 40k shekels. Yeah, you can keep the blue candy pop in your garden, guys. Especially when there's an event who need candy type plants, like the previous event. Okay guys, and that's all about the blue candy pop and grow garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.